Let's have a look at how to make a payment for the proposal directly from the chat room with the manufacturer. When you receive a proposal for your project, you will see a confirmation window in the chat. You can open the proposal by clicking on Open. Study the proposal carefully, and you can either decline the proposal, propose changes, or accept the proposal. Click on Accept. You will see a pop-up window where you will have to fill in the fields about your company information. When you fill in the details and click on Save, you will see another confirmation message in the chat. There you will have two payment options. You can either pay by the bank transfer or by credit card. Let's have a look at the first payment option, Pay by the bank transfer. In the pop-up window, you will have instructions on how to proceed with the payment via bank transfer. Please use the invoice number as a payment reference when you complete the transfer. When you complete the transfer from your bank account, click on I have completed the transfer, and it will notify our system and the manufacturer to proceed with the job. Let's take a look at another payment option, Pay by card. Our system will ask you to confirm whether you want to proceed with the payment. Click OK. In the pop-up window, add all the required fields of your credit card information, add your billing information, and click on Confirm and Pay Now. When the payment is completed, you will have a confirmation message in the chat, and you can also download the invoice of this payment by clicking here. And it will automatically save this invoice in PDF format on your computer. After the payment, we will notify the manufacturer that the payment is done and that he can proceed with the job.